Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today we are going to be reviewing a website called soapsandessentials.com. They reached out to me on Instagram asking if they can send me some products for me to open up on camera and review and give my honest opinion about. So that's what we're gonna do today. These are the packages that I was sent. There is 2 of them. I haven't opened them yet, so I want to open them with you guys and see what's in here. Oh, I hope I didn't show you guys my address. So these are what the boxes look like, and they are kind of pretty heavy. So again, the website is called soapsandessentials.com, and they make homemade candles and facial scrub or body scrub, and I believe they're cruelty free. They're again homemade. So all that fun stuff. So let's open up these packages and see what's in here, and I will leave the description for or the link to the website in the description down below, and will whatever information for the company that I can get, I'll leave it in the description. These are taped up pretty well because I can't open it. Oh my god. Oh, okay. So here is the first box. And I think she said she was going to send me a candle and a facial scrub, I think. So I'm just going to try to... My little muscles are weak. I worked out today, and I worked out my arms because, you know, I'm trying to be all healthy. And, my little arms are weak. Okay, so... All right. Oh, my God. Whatever's in here smells so freaking good. I was looking through the website, and it does say they're cruelty-free, no chemicals in the products. They're homemade. They're safe to use on any skin type. And I think they're based out of... She's based out of Tennessee. So, okay. So, let me take this out. So, it is actually packaged really well in here. I was afraid when I got the package delivered yesterday, it kind of sounded like something might be broken. So let's hope that it's not. Oh, but whatever's in here smells so freaking good. Oh, it does look like something's broken in there. Okay, so this is what the box looks like. But let me open up what's in here. Oh, this is horrible. It did break. Oh, okay, so this is the first item in here. Look at this, the candle. This color is like a coral kind of color. It does, I'm bummed that it is broken, but it was actually packaged pretty well in here. I just, you know, UPS, whatever it was, but it smells really, really good. And this is the scent Mango Peach. And you know, I'm all about candles right now, and this smells, oh my god, this is, I think this is what I was smelling before I even opened up the box. Like, it was giving off this aroma in my room. I just want to take the glass off of it because I don't want to hurt myself or hurt anybody else. So let me take that off of there, and this is what it looks like. Oh, it smells so freaking good. It smells fruit, like fruit. You can totally smell it. It's really, really nice. I can't wait. I'm gonna turn this on. I had matches somewhere around here, but I don't know where they're at. Okay, so the next thing in here, I'm not sure. This also smells fruity. Let me see what this is. I think it might be a little candle. I'm not sure. So let's see what's in here. I do see the items are packaged pretty well, so except for that one, I don't know. I mean, it's packaged really well. I just don't know why it broke up like that, but I'll put it in another little container. It smells really good. Okay, so this next item is, maybe it's a soap. It's not labeled, but it has a super cute shape to it. You know what it looks like? It looks like, you know, the edges of a Reese's Pieces, how they're like, I want to say crinkled, but it's not crinkled. I don't know what you call it, but I think this might be a soap. Let me see. Yeah, because I don't see. Oh, this smells like a, I don't know what scent in here. I'm trying to get my lights to, like, my lights are so off. They don't know where to focus today. So it looks like this. Look at how pretty that looks. And it is actually pretty thick, and it smells like a, it doesn't have a scent, but it smells like a bubble gum, like a fruit bubble gum. I'm trying to place it. Hold on. It smells, what's that gum? It smells like, you guys know those gums, the ones that are like the double layer. What are they called? Are they Trident? I don't know what it's called, but this smells fruity, and it's really, really cute. I think it is soap. It feels like soap. I think it is. I have stuff on my, oh my god, I'm telling you, I'm a mess today. So this is the little soap thing. Super, super cute. My camera, because it's light, it's like an ivory kind of color. my camera isn't like wanting to focus on this. Let me take it out and see if I can like trick my camera and get it close to you guys. Look how pretty that is. It's like an ivory kind of color, super pretty. I really like it. The edges of it have like those details. That's super cute. Oh, come on, there it goes. Look, oh, so pretty. Okay, so that was the second item she sent me in there. And the next item in here is, what's this? Soaps and essentials. It just says soaps and essentials. I'm not sure. It looks like this. Soaps and essentials. My camera is tripping. Okay, and it's a little jar. I'm not sure what this is in here. Let's see. Let's open up. It's like a little mason jar on top. Super cute. I love these little like jar things because, is this lotion? Oh, this smells, oh my God. What is this smell? It smells fruity, but I can't place it. Oh, I think this is a scrub because it has like, let me see, I don't want to drop anything. It has like, it feels like grains in there. What is it called? Like it's not, look, like an exfoliator maybe. Maybe there's information in here. Maybe I should look through it. Look, I think it is an exfoliator because you can feel it like the little grains in there. Like, I don't know if it's called grain, but I can feel it's like totally leaving my skin super smooth. Look, I'm not flipping you guys off. I love that. Okay, she did tell me that she did include some information in here, like notes and stuff. So maybe I should look for that because I don't want to say, oh, this is the exfoliator and it's not. So let me see if I find anything in here. Oh, but everything in here is so cute. No, you know what? We're just going to go through it and then I'll show you guys again if I was mistaken. Look at how cute this is packaged. Oh, wait, there's more of this, the glass from the other candle falling. Hold on. Look at how cute that is. It has like little lace wrapped around it and the little container. Super cute. What is this one? It doesn't say on here what this one is, but let's open this up. I'm going to take this off of it. And this looks like some kind of, oh, this is a, oh, this is totally some kind of a scrub. I think it's a scrub. Look, that's what it looks like in there. Do I see that? It kind of looks like a scrub, but I don't know if you have to add, like, it's sugary. It's hard. Like, it seems like it's a product that might be dried out, but I don't know if you have to add something to it. So let's keep looking through this and see, look for the information, and then we'll see what we need to. Kind of afraid to stick my hand in there because of the glass in there. Look. You guys hear it? Okay. So this is a mango lip balm, and it looks like this. Let me get as close as I can. Let's open this up. I love the smell of mango, and I love mango. Ooh, this feels so smooth. It's like a little, look, do you see the little container? Let me see. This lipstick that I'm wearing, it totally dries out my lips. So, perfect. Look, all my lipstick came off. Perfect. I love it. It feels like the, you know, the Carmax, the little Carmax things. It kind of feels like that, but not as thick. But it is super moisturizing. I can feel it. Look at how cute that is. And I love these little containers. So let me close this back up. And I think that was it that was in here. Oh no, there's another item in here. Okay, I'm gonna put the box down because it is full of, not full, but there is glass in there. And let me, I'm wiping my hands on my shorts. Okay, let's see. What's this item? I think this is another one of like the little soaps that we got. I think it's a soap. I'm pretty sure it is. So, oh yeah, this one's in the shape of a flower, and it's like a, it looks like a grayish, like it has a gray, like a white and gray kind of tint. This smells like fresh cotton linens. Look. Oh yeah, this is a rose. Look at how pretty these are. I love the soaps that come like this. And when I get stuff like this, I want to tell my kids, don't touch it, because it looks so pretty. Look at how pretty that is. And these give off a really strong smell. Like I can smell it, and it smells like a beautiful, lovely garden in here. Okay, let me open up the other box. I'm hoping there's some information in here. So let me slice this bad boy open. Do 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 do. Oh shoot! Ow! I got to stab myself. Ow! Yeah, I did. It's okay. We're good. We're golden. I will survive. All right. So I'm opening up this second box. Do 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 do. Imagine if like something strange. Oh, here's the information. Oh, perfect. Okay. So I have information. Let's go through the info first, and then we'll go through this stuff. I want to make sure I'm giving you guys the right information. So she sent me like little notes and some cards. Oh, these are super cute. So here is some cards. Let me show you guys. I don't know if I want to show you. I think I can show this to you. But it has a phone number on there. I don't know if I want to. Here, I'm going to block out the phone number because I don't want to be like, here, call her, you know. But this is the company, Soaps and Essentials. So there's that. You can check them out on Facebook. So that is the company. Those are super cute business cards, by the way. Okay, so let me see. Oh, excuse me. Okay, so the lip balm, which was this one. It says the lip balm is mango. This is an amazing product to use. 100% organic, 100% pure, love, always made. I love, here, I'm going to tell you something. You know, we always spend a bunch of money on like, you know, the high-end products and all this stuff, right? But to me, I feel like stuff like this has a lot more effort put into it and a lot more personalized than, you know, going to like, I don't know, wherever it is that you're gonna go buy some lip balm, you know. I just like that feeling of it. So I think that is super cute. Okay, the next thing, the candle, this one, the one that was broken, this one is mango and peach. So that was this one. Same thing, 100% organic, which I absolutely love. I've never really paid attention to stuff that's organic or not, but it's kind of catching my eye more often. So I'm glad that it is. And then let me see the soap, the yellow soap. That's what it is. This one is strawberry scented. I couldn't place it. It kept like, what is that smell? It's totally strawberry now that I know. This one, the lavender colored one that I said was gray but is actually lavender, this one is lilac. I'm sorry, I said lavender color, but it kind of does. Like in the camera it looks gray, but now that I'm like backing it up here, it's, look, my phone is like, nope. It looks white, but I can see like a hint of lavender on here. This one is lilac, and they all work on any type of skin tone, and same thing, 100% organic and homemade. The next item is the cherry blossom lotion. Which one's a cherry blossom lotion? Is that this one? No, it can't be that one. It's a whip lotion, or maybe it is. Oh my god, it is. I think this is the lotion, because remember I was telling you guys that I can feel like the little like grains in there, but oh, it smells so good. But it's like gone. It doesn't feel soapy. Like there's no residue or anything. So I think this is the lotion. So this one I believe is the lotion. And then let me see. The next item is the lavender face scrub. This face body scrub is infused with toner and lavender seeds. The face scrub is made to take away dark marks and blemishes. Also for all skin types and also organic. So here's my question. I think you have to wet this maybe. I'm assuming. Oh, it does. Oh, it smells like, it has a light smell of like vapor rub. Very light smell of it. But I don't know if you have to wet this, you know, to use it, because it's dry in there, you know. So I'm assuming you do. I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm going to find out about it. But I think it's super cute. I love these face scrubs because I totally need it. And also, I have a lot of blemishes, especially in the summertime. Like, look, you guys can see I start breaking out, burning up. I got spots like all over the place. So the last item in here, I believe, is another candle, because I did see the paper in there. Oh, there's something here. Okay, hold on. Before I show you guys a candle, let me open this up. I'm hearing all kinds of noises. Like, it's, I don't know what's happening with my life today. Okay, so okay, so the website is soapsandessentials.com. She sent me like a little card with some information. Super cute. Okay, so this last one is coffee cake candle, and it totally smells. I actually have, like, you know, the Little Debbie coffee cake snacks, and not Little Debbie, like the Hostess ones. That's exactly what this smells like. Oh, it smells so freaking good. Look at this is and it's actually a pretty good size candle. Let me see if I have something for you guys to so I can compare it to. I don't have anything that I need. So, but anyway, look, this is the actual candle. It's a really good size candle. Everything is 100% organic. Again, homemade. I love the scent of everything. Everything smells so good. I'm so excited to try everything out. I love how this one smells. I was gonna do a giveaway with some of these things. I'm not exactly sure what I want to keep and what I don't, so I will let you guys know and keep you guys posted. Actually, you know what? We are gonna do a giveaway for this coffee cake candle. So let me see. Whoever leaves a comment, the contest will start today. So, not contest, the giveaway for this candle will run starting today, Saturday, what's today? April 21st. We will start the giveaway. Just leave a comment with one pink heart down below. Also hit like and subscribe and leave a comment with one pink heart down there below. And we'll end it, we'll run it just for a day. It'll start tomorrow, not tomorrow, today, the 21st, April 21st, 2018. As soon as this video goes live, it will end on Sunday, April 22nd at noon Pacific Standard Time. So I will be giving away this candle. It is a coffee cake candle from Soap and Essentials. Please go visit their website. I think it's a great idea, you know, homemade, organic, totally made with love. You can totally tell. I love the scent of everything. Oh, I'll leave the details in the comments down below for this giveaway. So thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys think, if you're interested in any of these items, you know, if there's something that you want to see more of. Go make sure you guys follow her Facebook or website. I will leave all the information in the description down below. And thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll also leave the information for the giveaway down below. Thanks again so much for watching, and I shall see you guys next time.